So while having a meal, Boosie kept sneezing and telling himself God bless you. He then decided to explain why people say that phrase God bless you when you sneeze. He says it's a secret and not everybody knows. Let's check it out.
God bless me. You know why people say God bless you when you sneeze? A lot of people don't know that. My partner didn't know that. People say God bless you when you sneeze because your heart stops beating when you sneeze. A lot of people didn't know that. That's why people say bless you, because when you sneeze, your heart stops beating. A lot of people don't know that. My partner did not know that. Boosie just taught you something.
I'm a teacher in Pennsylvania, and my kids love you under 6th and 7th, 8th grade.
Okay. Okay. You too, man. All women love me.
If you have stayed with me to this point of the video, consider subscribing, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.